In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a saved search on Zillow. Whether you found the perfect home or your preferences have shifted, managing your saved searches can help keep you organized and focused during your house hunting journey. Let's dive into the process step by step to ensure you can easily manage your Zillow account and keep it as streamlined as possible. First, you'll want to navigate to Zillow's website or open the Zillow app on your device. If you're using a browser, just type in zillow.com and hit enter. If you're on a mobile device, open up the Zillow app. The interface on both platforms is quite user-friendly, but today we're going to walk you through the desktop version as an example. Once you're on the Zillow homepage, look for your account logo or profile picture, typically located in the upper right corner of the screen. This is your hub for accessing personalized sections within Zillow, including your saved searches. Go ahead and click on your logo. Clicking on your profile logo will reveal a drop-down menu, offering various options linked to your account. Among these options, you'll see something labeled Saved Searches. Select this option to proceed. This section stores all the searches you've saved over time, which can be great for keeping tabs on potential homes or areas of interest, but it can become cluttered if you don't regularly update it. Now that you're in the Saved Searches section, you'll see a list of all the searches you've previously saved. Take a moment to review this list. You might find multiple searches that are no longer useful or relevant to your current needs. To delete an individual search from this list, simply locate the search you wish to remove. Next to each saved search, you'll notice a Delete button. The final step is straightforward. Click on the Delete button beside the search you want removed. A confirmation prompt will likely appear, asking if you're sure you want to delete this search. This is a security feature to ensure you don't accidentally remove searches you intend to keep. Confirm your decision by clicking Delete or OK on the prompt. Remember, once you delete a saved search, it's gone for good, so be certain it's no longer necessary before you proceed. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can maintain an organized and up-to-date list of saved searches on Zillow, making your house hunting experience that much more efficient. Thank you for tuning in, and happy house hunting.